I welcome you back to my channel NPS Utopia. I'm your host Nidhi. Hope आप सब अच्छे होंगे और अपने घर पे होंगे, सुरक्षित हो। अभी तक आप लोगों ने अपने आप को रजिस्टर भी करवा लिया होगा कोविड-19 के वैक्सीनेशन के लिए। मैं अभी करेंटली 18+ एज ग्रुप को लगने वाली है और जब भी आपकी टर्न आए प्लीज गो एंड गेट योरसेल्फ वैक्सीनेटेड. Not listen to any rumors or anybody. Vaccination is for us only. On that note, moving to the topic of today, जो कि होने वाली है हमारी फेस वॉश से रिलेटेड. Plays a vital role in our daily skin care regime. एक फेस वॉश को रैंडमली उस ब्रांड को ट्राई किया फ्रॉम द ब्रांड बेला विटा ऑर्गेनिक एंड आई फाउंड दैट फेस वॉश वर्किंग ऑन माई स्किन वेरी वेल. So in this video I'm going to talk more about face wash और इसके pros cons के benefits मुझे अभी तक अपनी skin पे लगे हैं. I'm going to give you a demo on my bare face. Oh, I love flaunting my bare face. My face has lots of flaws and I want to flaunt that flaws too. So let's get moving to the video and talk more about beauty. So this face wash is from the brand Bella Vita Organic and I will tell you why I fell in love with this particular face wash. Video helpful, please do share it with your friends. आपको अगर ऐसी ही helpful videos आगे और देखनी हो तो प्लीज कंसिडर टू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. एक सब्सक्रिप्शन जो 1 सेकेंड की वो क्लिक है वो मेरे चेहरे पे बहुत ही बड़ी खुशी लाती है. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हिटिंग दैट सब्सक्राइब. पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड बेला विटा ऑर्गेनिक की दिस फेस वॉश इज देयर सी फेस वॉश. बेसिकली इट्स अ विटामिन सी फेस वॉश जो डेली यूज की फेस वॉश होती है. रीड थ्रू व्हाट इट क्लेम्स एंड व्हाट इट डज. तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. सो दिस इज देयर विटामिन सी ग्लो फेस वॉश जो कि इसका नाम है. It says it is vitamin C, sandalwood, honey, coffee, neem, lemon, all the goodies, and it is supposed to oil control, acne, detan, brighten, smoothen skin, and it also says new age Ayurveda. So this particular bottle is claiming so high, free, no SLS, no sulfate. So all those goodies things are there. Let's talk about the price range. It is priced at 199 rupees and you will get 225 ml of the product. Grab this product on Amazon or on its website itself. I got it in a very good deal and I had to pay 199 rupees only. So basically I got this product in 200 rupees. Give you a demo too. तो चलिए अब हम देखते हैं how it looks. This is how it looks. Flip this cap and start squeezing this because it's a new bottle. So you need, this is a safety cap that placed inside. इसलिए ये safety cap को you need to remove. Oops. And then again close the lid properly and now you can start using this. I made up my mind that yes, this is the face wash that I should go for in future as well. And I had been using this particular one since almost 1.5 months now. I started using this in the last week of March. Bottle is empty now. Only tiny leftover is there. This entire bottle. And then I realized that yes, it did work wonders on my skin. This is how my bare skin looks. I have not even used sunscreen on my face. तो मैं चाहती थी कि because it's a skincare video, so I must show you my real skin. So this is how it is looking, and because of using this face wash is it will not dry out your skin. Though my skin is very oily, but I'm sure it is going to work same on dry skin people also because it comes in a jelly form. तो ये use करने के बाद skin है ना वो खिंची नहीं लगती. Like also I don't know what they have used in the ingredient. I don't feel the need of having any scrub on my face. I completely stopped using face scrub. Whiteheads सारे ही controlled थे. मुझे scrub की ज़रूरत अभी नहीं है. So I stopped using face scrub and I only rely on this particular bottle. तो मैं सिर्फ फेस वॉश करती हूँ. Then I use toner. I am going to show you that as well. That's again from Bella Vita Organic only. चलिए अब मैं आपको डेमो दिखाता. Start the demo now. इसलिए मैंने अपने फेस को प्लेन वाटर से डैम्प कर लिया है. I have dampened my face for this brand because daily when I do my skincare regime, I prefer such brand. I'm all set to start the demo. See? Squeeze tiny amount just like that. ये काफी जेल कंसिस्टेंसी में, right? Did you see that? Yeah. 2 pumps only. Pumps, अगर उसे pump बोलेंगे तो yeah, I am this much amount. And what you need to do is, I am going to just show you the techniques that I use on my skin. तो मैं इसे just like cream, ये बिल्कुल transparent gel की form में होती है. And now start doing like this, so that your skin gets a good massage and also the impurities, all the dirt, grimes goes off. So the technique that I use is massage this particular gel, circular motion, and then also I bring it here to the neck. I never forget my neck. ये ज़्यादा lather नहीं करती. See, you wouldn't notice huge foaming, and you need to massage your skin for 60 seconds daily. Yes, you heard it. 60 seconds, I mean 1 minute तक आपको daily ऐसे massage करना है, and then you need to just wash your face. So yes, I'm back after washing my face, and this is how it is looking. Always prefer to use cold and plain water to wash your face, whether it's morning time or night time. मैंने cold plain water से अपनी face को wash कर लिया है. Come little closer. Skin air dry. अगर आप, because अभी फिलहाल हम घर पे ही हैं, तो we can this extra step to let it air dry. कुछ ऐसी plain old t-shirt use कर सकते हो. This is my very old t-shirt because this is so soft and this is quite old t-shirt. So you need to just do like this patting motion you need to do and pat dry your entire face. And the additional step that I do this additional step I do it is again from the same brand, Bella Vita Organic. Just their normal rose water toner जो कि आती है ये स्प्रे बॉटल में, एंड दिस ऑलमोस्ट आई हैव फिनिश्ड ऑलमोस्ट. तो ये है मेरी टोनर जो कि मैं डेली मॉर्निंग एंड इवनिंग वंस आई एम डन विद द फेस वॉश, दिस इज माय सेकंड स्टेप दैट आई डू. वंस इट इज पैट ड्राई और एयर ड्राई, आप इसको ऐसे एक बार शेक करके वो जस्ट यूजिंग दिस मोशन, एंड इट हैज सच अ नाइस गुलाब जल की फ्रेग्रेंस, अच्छी एरोमेटिक फीलिंग आएगी. And don't forget your neck. So yes, this was my recommendation to all you beauties looking for a great option for a daily face wash. So yes, this is my recommendation to all the oily skin beauties. I'm sure it is going to work for all the skin type beauties. Give this face wash a try and start feeling a healthy skin. Not at all sponsored video. Bella Vita Organic team को पता भी नहीं होगा कि मैं ये वीडियो बना रही हूँ. Making this video for my community, for my viewers. तो मेरे viewers मेरी monetary benefit से ज़्यादा important. Only give you my honest opinion on any product that you would like to see. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is NPSutopia. Guys, very soon this video. दिन हो या रात, स्किन केयर की करे बात.